When you're looking to get free traffic, especially as an affiliate marketer, a great way is to use tools to create social media posts like Canva. Check this out. It's a simple quote. It's a simple quote graphic easily made in Canva. But where does the quote come from? It's as simple as now going to ChatGPT and saying, you are going to be my social media content creator. Can you do that? Certainly ChatGPT is going to let you know, and then you're simply going to give it a little more instruction or input. Give me 5 online money-making quotes from influencers in the marketing industry. Now here you're going to see something interesting. You're going to see that these quotes aren't necessarily from influencers in the marketing industry, and you're going to scratch your head, but ChatGPT is going to give you a little more information here. While these quotes may not specifically be related to online money making, they can provide inspiration and motivation to those looking to pursue their goals in the marketing industry, and I'm okay with that. Now moving on, specifically as an affiliate marketer, we typically need to find an offer, and we want to find an offer around the topic or an offer that is related to the content that we're creating. In this case, I hopped over to ClickBank, and I'm using this as an example. Wealth manifestation offer taking the market by storm. Click on their affiliate page. You'll see here there's lots of information to include email swipes, as well as the direct to gift page and direct to sales page links, so you can actually see the page. And you can see all the other information here, such as banners, as well as the email swipes for the gift page, the email swipes for the sales page. Click on those, it takes you over, and you can get a lot of great information here. And I've covered this in another video here on the channel where I use ChatGPT specifically to take this information and regenerate the content, or provide that input to ChatGPT and let it do its magic. Now here is the sales page, all because a few billionaires were obsessed with chakras and suspected they were a way to activate the root chakra. Okay, so I don't really know anything about that, so I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and give it some information here as my social media manager. Of course, you could spend more time studying the context and finding out more information or what ChatGPT knows about the root chakra, but in this case, I just said, or I asked it, gave it the input of write an engaging Facebook post about the ways to activate the root chakra. And then, of course, it gives me some great information here. And at this point, I'm going to take that over to Canva, and I'm going to look up something like chakra templates. And then you can see here and get some great ideas for social media posts and take the information that ChatGPT can create and then create those posts and get the traffic from this content, which is post or social media post that you create with Canva. You simply just go to the Canva homepage. You can click right here in the middle where it says social media, and you'll get a plethora of different types of social media posts for any and every social media platform that you could think of to get free traffic from by using Canva and ChatGPT or any AI to generate content. And the reason I say any AI is because right here inside of Canva, there is Canva Docs. You simply click Start Writing. And here you can see I informed Magic Write, which is an AI built into Canva to simply write me an engaging Facebook post about the ways to activate the root chakra. And then it went ahead and it wrote me an engaging post here again that I can take, and I could take this information and put it into any of the templates that I have here to create social media posts, and again, get free traffic by talking about a topic or providing information out to the world that's looking for this type of information as I'm promoting an offer, specifically as an affiliate marketer, like the one we looked at here on ClickBank, utilizing the information that they give us over at their affiliate page, which is the information they want us to have, and they're giving us freely because they want us to be able to sell more of their products and earn a commission, because that's how they make money. Another cool way that I've discovered to use ChatGPT, because I really dig it, is give me a list of the top 5 books written by, and I put Jim Rohn. This could be any famous author. And then check this out. It's going to list the top 5 books. And this is great information, but let's use ChatGPT to really assist us in breaking this down. Again, thinking about creating these quotes inside of Canva and give ChatGPT a little more input and say, thank you. Now for each of those books, select 3 quotes that are the most popular and then organize those quotes into columns. The reason I'm going to do this is because I want to be able to save this information for future use or for future automation down the road, which we might or might not cover in another video because this really isn't a Canva channel. But if you're interested, let me know in the comments and I can definitely dive deeper into that. Now I want to dive into a little bit about the understanding or a little bit about the thinking of the way to prompt or the way to give input to ChatGPT to get the most out of it. And go ahead and read this prompt, but you'll see that I told it how to organize the column. Then I also, because I'm thinking about using these quotes for social media, and I'm thinking about Twitter and the fact that Twitter has a post length or a character length when you're actually creating Twitter posts. So I said, give me the maximum length of a Twitter post. If you understand the instructions, then I will tell you to go and you can start the table. Then it gives me back the information that I was looking for. And yes, the Twitter post or the maximum length of a Twitter post is 280 characters. Of course, if you don't trust ChatGPT, you can always Google that. And then it asked me to please say go. So I did, and check it out. It created a table with the number of the quote and the name of the book and the quote. And of course, the author, it's all the same, but you could see where the power of that column comes into play if it was from different authors. And then I simply just highlighted all of this information and copied it, took it over to a Google Sheet and simply did the magic or copy and paste. And now I have a motivational list of quotes from Jim Rohn. Specifically, these are Twitter quotes because they are small enough or short enough to fit inside of a Twitter tweet. And really, at this point, that's the power of ChatGPT to use it for social media, plus Canva, plus Google Docs. Majority of that stuff is free. There are some paid options in the pro plans, just like ChatGPT has the plus plan. I actually use that because I use ChatGPT a lot since it came on the scene. And if you'd like to know any more about this, or you have other cool ways to use ChatGPT and you feel like sharing, let me know in the comments. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll talk to you later. Bye.